exquisite floral design and events, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today is day 8 of Vlogmas, and I just have a really simple day today. I've been up since about 8 o'clock. I had a phone consultation that took about 30 minutes. I'm gonna do her proposal. Well, I did her proposal, but she added a lot more stuff. And then I am going to also do the proposal from the girl from Saturday. So I'm going to finish those two things up. And I think that's all that I got going on today. It's really boring. I will go drive by and pick up and, cut some flowers out. I found another location where I'm going to grab some trees for the style shoot tomorrow. Oh, you know what? You guys get to watch me put. So yeah, that's what you get to see me do today. We are going to go foraging for those eucalyptus greens, and then I'm gonna try to put as much. I'm putting everything together that I need for tomorrow and packing it in my van. So when I get there, all I gotta do is set this stuff out and not have to worry about anything. So that is our plans for today. So let's get started.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. My sister's here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see. With all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing.
Hi, my lovely flowers. So I was just giving you a little time to watch me make those weren't like centerpieces. They were going to go on stairs in the aisle. And then I'm making a garland to go on the table. So that's basically what you're watching here. I finished the garland and then realized I needed 3. So I made this garland so thick and pretty, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to make 3 more. So I end up just finishing this one, and then I end up just going and making the boutonniere for the style shoot.
Around you. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's...
So after I finished making this, I then went ahead and made the boutonniere for the groom, and I basically put everything up and I just ended up going to sleep. So I made 8 arrangements in this garland, and I was like, oh, and the boutonniere, I was like, I'm pooped, because I started late because I was looking for more greens, and I'm like, I'm just ready to go to bed. I'm over it. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And yes, please subscribe. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.